Translation. The most important thing in the translation is the translation vector. We will start with y is equal to x square. You are well familiar with y is equal to x square. The shape of the curve is this. This one is y is equal to x square. Now, what will be the shape of y is equal to x minus 1 whole square? What is the shape of y is equal to x minus 1 whole square? There are how many x intercepts? There are how many x intercepts? And what is the value of that x intercept?
1.
Yes, 1. This one is 1. Its y intercept is
ये होगा 1.
yes. When there is x minus 1 in the equation, the curve will move 1 unit towards right side. When there is x minus 1 in the equation, the curve will move 1 unit towards right side. We will add 1 in the x coordinates. The change of x is always opposite. If in the equation there is written x plus 1, the curve will move 1 unit towards left. If there is written in the equation there is written x minus 1, the curve will move 1 unit towards right side. Now, what is the translation vector in this case? Ayan, is there any change in y? Is there any change in the y coordinate? G, Ayan, is there any change in the y coordinate?
No, sir.
Okay. And what about the x coordinates?
Yes.
How many units the curve has moved towards right?
1.
1. And what should be the column vector for this change?
से ये होगा 1 0.
Very good. 1 0. Now consider this curve. What is the x-intercept of this one?
X minus 1. X is equal to minus 1.
Yes. And y-intercept is 1. And there is only one x-intercept. The shape of the curve is this. As you can see that there is x plus 1. There is an addition of 1 in x. And the curve has shifted 1 unit towards left. We will subtract 1 from the x coordinates. Now, what is the unit vector of this translation?
Minus 1 0.
That's good. Now, we will consider another curve. Y is equal to x square plus 2. Now, is this 2 added in x or y? ये चेंज x की है या y की है?
x
अगर x में होती ना तो x में लिखा होता x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर. What is y in the original curve? What is y?
x square.
X square. There is an addition in x square. There is an addition in y. There is an addition in f of x.
Yes, sir.
So we will add 2 in all the y coordinates, and the new shape of the curve is this. Is there any change in the x coordinate?
No, sir.
Okay. So what should be the column vector for this one?
0 and 1.
Sorry,
0, 1.
0,
1.
0.
2.
Good. This one is 0, 2. Now we want to draw the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square plus 1. Now compare this curve with the original one, y is equal to x square. What about the change in x? The curve will move 2 units towards left or right. The change of x is always reverse.
So, sir, 2 to the right.
2 units towards right. And there is plus 1 in y or x. This plus 1,
Right.
yes, in y. Yes, in y. So the change of y is as it is. If there is an addition, the curve will move upwards. If there is a subtraction, the curve will move downwards.
सर y 5 नहीं हो जाएगा?
5?
फिर x को हम 0 करते हैं तो y 5 नहीं होता?
Yes, y coordinate is 5. Yes, y intercept is 5. Y intercept is 5. Y intercept is 5. Now we will draw this curve. Here in this curve, the first one, the line of symmetry is x is equal to 0. For this curve, the line of symmetry is x is equal to 2. Now we will shift this curve 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 4, 6. We have shifted this vertex, this turning point, 2 units right and 1 unit up. 2 units right and 1 unit up. This one is the location of new vertex. Is there any confusion?
सर समझ नहीं आया ये.
Okay. Now we will add 2 in all the x coordinates and add 1 in the y coordinates. In the first figure, in the original diagram, the vertex is 0, 0. We will add 2 in the x coordinate and 1 in the y coordinate. What are the coordinates of new vertex?
अच्छा आप समझा गए. सर 2 2 1.
Yes, this one is 2, 1. You can see that. Here, in the first diagram, the line of symmetry is x is equal to 0. We will add 2 in the x coordinates. New line of symmetry will be x is equal to 0. Add 2 in the x coordinate. New line of symmetry is now
Um, So 2.
Yes, x is equal to 2. Yes, this one is x is equal to 2. Now, the y coordinate of this one, as you have already mentioned, is 0, 5. Now, this one is the new curve after the translation. And what is the translation vector of this translation?
सिर्फ पिछले वाले से कंपेयर करना है.
Yes, from y is equal to x square.
तो इससे ये होगा 2 and minus 1.
The change of y is as it is. If there is an addition, the curve will move upwards. We will add in the y coordinates. And if there is a subtraction, we will subtract from the y coordinates. Okay. Now, sorry.
सिर्फ 1 क्यों? पिछले वाले में तो y एक्सिस पे 2 है.
Now, there is a question y is equal to x square is translated with vector -2 and -1. Write down the new equation. जी बताएं जी. What's the new equation?
So, एक सेकेंड. x plus 2 whole square minus 1.
Very good. Very good. It's the answer. Okay. Now we will recall the concepts of, summarize the concepts of translation. Translation in x-axis. If there is a translation in x-axis, if there is an addition in the x coordinates, but in the equation we will write down subtraction in the variable x. If the translation vector is a0, then the equation of the curve is y is equal to f of x minus a. And if the translation vector is minus a0, then the equation of the curve is f of x plus a. अगर इक्वेशन के अंदर x plus a है तो वेक्टर जो है वो minus a0 होगा. And if in the equation there is x minus a, तो कॉलम वेक्टर जो है वो a0 होगा. अगर इक्वेशन में x plus a लिखा हुआ है तो हम x कोऑर्डिनेट्स में a ऐड करेंगे. अगर x plus a लिखा हुआ है तो x कोऑर्डिनेट्स में से a सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. Translation in y-axis. 0a, we will simply add a in the y coordinate. Y coordinate is f of x plus a. जो y की चेंज है वो एज इट इज है, जो x की चेंज है वो उल्टी है. 0 minus a, y is equal to f of x minus a. Now, when there is a combination of translation in x and y both, then if the translation vector is AB, then the equation will be, should be y is equal to f of x minus a plus b. And if the translation vector is minus a minus b, then the equation should be f of x plus a minus b. This one is the summary of translation.